guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be unboxing this ergonomic office chair that I found on Amazon that I will be using for my work from home setup. So if you're interested to see the unboxing, the assembly, and the final output of what this chair is gonna look like, please keep on watching. And if you're also interested in other unboxing videos and product reviews, I'm also gonna include the link on the description box below if you want to check it out. So this is the box for the chair, and it is made by this company, and the price is between $160 to $170 depending on the color, and I got it from Amazon.